Welcome to
VLOGMAS! Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 10. Your girl is dressed. I am headed to the post office to do some errands and I'll be back. Let's get day 10 started. Okay, let's go. So it's a bit windy. The sun is out, and we know that when the sun is out, it's not necessarily out. Oh, but it is a windy day. Alright, so I have a few errands to run. Not gonna take too long. I don't think I can vlog much, so I'm going up the hill again, like yesterday's vlog. So yeah, I think it's rush hour now because everybody's trying to get to work. It's about 9 a.m. now, or a little after 9. So yeah, let's just appreciate the glow of the skin. Oh yeah. Ooh. So I will check in later. Yes. Bye. Guys, so I just completed a since I came back from my errand, I had a brainstorming session with Fifi. Remember Fifi? And yeah, so we just wrapped up that session. So now I'm beginning to cook. Let me show you. Guys, I'm doing carrots, sweet peppers, oniony, garlicky. I have my sweet pepper, split peas. I'm gonna actually put the split peas in the rice, and I have some potatoes here, and I have some potatoes there. So that is gonna go with my beef mince that I would have seasoned yesterday, so it's well cured. So yeah, that is what's going on for this afternoon. It's after 3, I believe, or it's going on to 3, so the sun is setting somewhat and it's gonna get dark soon. So I will check in with you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I'm there done cooking my dishes. We're gonna go to say stew because guy needs to say stew. So let me show you guys. In my rice, right. My stew. Yeah, so that is what is going on for today. I think my cousin is resting. She'll be back in my vlogs before I close off this vlog. But yeah, it was a productive day. We got a lot of work done for our business, both our businesses, just trying to streamline stuff and brainstorm and plan for 2020, because honey, 2020 needs to be litified. So business wise, so that's what we've been working on the entire morning since I got back from errands. And yeah. Yeah, so so I don't think we're gonna be doing much today, so I will check in with you guys later. Peace. Hey, happy folks. This is the end of Vlogmas day 10. Thanks for hanging out with me. Winnie and Hewlett is just chilling right there. I didn't even plan this position, but I just turned on the camera and see them at the back there. But anyway, guys, I will check in with you guys in Vlogmas day 11. Peace. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to jump on and show you my well, what I'm using for skincare. I think I started to touch on it in yesterday's vlog. This is a bonus clip, by the way. And first things first, let's appreciate the hair. Yeah, so it's been in a twist from over a week now, so I don't want to be combing my hair too often. I did clip some of the ends because my hair knows that every December I clip it, so I'm not near my hairdresser to do that clipping, so I had to do it for myself. But anyway, so I touched on some of the skincare products that I've been using. I showed you the serum that I've been using on my face. There is another thing that I use. I used to use the Neutrogena Deep Cleaner, but when I was traveling to England, I put it in my hand luggage instead of my bigger suitcase, and customs took that away, so it's okay. But I found something else that is not perfume, because I can't use perfumed products because my face is a bit sensitive to the fragrance. So I found this Nivea 2-in-1 cleanser and toner. It has a mild scent, but I have been using it and I see it's been growing with my skin thus far. When this is finished, I'm going to look for something else that is not fragrance, but I needed a cleanser because since I've been here, I've been actually wearing makeup. Well, you know, the whole, not the foundation and everything, but like powders and lippy and shadow, and trying to get my eyebrows in order. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and show you guys the other part of my skincare routine, which is the Nivea 2-in-1 toner and cleanser. So yeah, this is finally the end of the 10 vlog. I will record when I'm gonna lose this out. I'm not gonna lose it out till weekend coming, so it's gonna stay like this for a while. My hair is getting longer, and it's, as you can see, it's very fuzzy, so it's gonna stay so for a while. Yeah, so I'll end off officially. See you guys in Vlogmas Day 11. 14 more days. No, well, officially today is the 10th, so 15 more days to Christmas.